welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I found at my local TJ Maxx. So I've seen people do videos like this, like Laura Lee and Tati, and I think Jeffree Star even did one, where they go to TJ Maxx and they find like these amazing high-end brand things, or like makeup products at the store, and I've never found anything like that at my TJ Maxx. We just don't have that. But for some reason, when I went this time, there was a bunch of high-end makeup there. So I picked up as much stuff as I could that I thought would be decent and that I wanted to try. And I'm so excited, and I just wanted to share it with you. I'm going to swatch a few of the lip products today, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that I found that I think I'm the most excited about is this. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I have wanted this for the longest time. So like I said, it's the Cream Contour Kit, and it's in the shade Fair, which is the shade I need. And it has all these gorgeous cream shades, and I love cream contour. I'm just obsessed with it. It's my favorite. I use my Becca one all the time to contour. It's pretty much the only contour I use other than my Sephora powder every once in a while. But I'm so excited, and I got this for $18.99. And I'm pretty sure these are over 40 bucks regular price, so it's so awesome. I'm so excited about this. Next up, I found this Smashbox color correcting stick, and I really wanted to try this out because it's the purple shade, and purple is meant for kind of making the face look a lot brighter. And I talk about this all the time. I just prefer my skin to look bright and not dull at all, so it counteracts any dullness, which I tend to get on my cheek area. So I really wanted to check this out and see if this would help, and this was $7.99, and it says compared to $13. There's no way this color correcting stick was $13. I will have to look at what original price is of all of these and link them up above. Next up, I found some Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow. This is in the shade China Rose, which looks absolutely beautiful. It's like a beautiful bronzy, kind of pinky bronze. And this was only $5, and I know that these are more expensive than that, so I'm really excited about this. I have a few Anastasia eyeshadows that I bought from Mercari, I believe. I'm so excited to have this, and I was so stoked to see this in the store. All the rest of the products I have here are all lip products, so I will be swatching these for you guys. So first off, I have two Kat Von D lipsticks, and I'm really excited about this because I've never tried any of her Studded Kiss lipsticks. And the first one here is in the shade Vampira, which is that really gorgeous deep burgundy shade. And I love the packaging on this. It's so beautiful. I can display this in my makeup room. Gorgeous. So I'm going to try this on my lips here. And I did make sure, unlike some of the videos that I have seen, I did make sure to check all the products to make sure that they weren't used or had been swatched and touched. And nothing was touched. So I was so excited about that. Okay, so that went on super gorgeous and creamy. Next time I definitely would use a lip liner though, because I'm just very messy when it comes to lip products. But I love this, and I'm super excited about this because this is one of the shades that I actually don't have in her liquid lipstick formula. I have so many, but just not this one, and this was one that I've wanted for a very long time. So I'm very excited about this. And I forgot to mention that I got the shade Vampira for $7.99. Now this next one I have here I got for $6, and this is the shade Poe, which is her gorgeous blue with the glitter in it. And I'm not afraid of colors like this. I actually really love them, so I was excited about getting this one as well. Oh, the packaging just kills me. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love these Studded Kiss lipstick packaging, and the formula, I've never tried it before, and so far I'm really impressed. It feels really nice and creamy on the lips. Even this shade with the glitter in it felt really nice and was so easy to glide on. Sometimes glitter can get a little bit like draggy on the lips, but this one was so good. So I'm definitely excited about these and so happy to have these. Okay, so this next one that I have here is a Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade, actually, what is this? This is the Marc Jacobs Kiss Pop. It's his lip color stick, and it looks like this. It looks like a little crayon. It's super cute, and then it's got one of these like types of bullets. It looks like a Clinique Chubby Stick. And I find the application of these so easy, so I was really happy about this. And this one I got for $8.99. And this is in the shade Pop Rock, number 614. It's a really gorgeous orange shade, but yet it's a little bit, it's looking really orange on camera, but yet in person it looks a little bit like orange coral type of color. It's really kind of more understated than it's coming off on camera. This next one here is another Marc Jacobs lipstick that I am loving. So this is one of his like regular lipsticks, the Le Marc lipsticks that come in this packaging. This is the shade 218 in Clara. It's a gorgeous bright pink. I just absolutely am in love with it, especially for the summer. And I'm so excited to have a full size one of these. I only have his trial size ones that we've gotten for free from Sephora. So I'm so happy to have this. I'm very excited. It's nice and weighty too, so you definitely can tell it's a luxury brand product. And I got that one for $8.99. Okay, and then the last three I got are all Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. And I got them all for $7.99, and I'm really excited about these because they're like the perfect summer type of colors. So I do have this one on my lips, but I just swatched them all for you on my hand. So this first one here is on the bottom. That is in the shade Sugar Plum, and that's the one on my lips right now. The one in the middle is the shade Craft, and the one on the top is Party Pink. So Party Pink is actually pretty similar to the Marc Jacobs one that I just got, except it's in a liquid lipstick kind of formula. Craft is a beautiful like berry shade. It's just gorgeous. It's a little bit more on the pink side than the purple. Really pretty. And I absolutely love this one in the shade, what is it? Sugar Plum. It's so beautiful. It's just such an understated, beautiful, everyday kind of pink. I really, really like it. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous on the lips. So I'm really excited about all these things that I found at TJ Maxx. I'm definitely going to continue to check them out and try to find some great stuff when it comes in, because this was like a fluke thing. We never get like high-end brands at our TJ Maxx. So definitely going to be checking them out more often. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out your local TJ Maxx if you have one for these great kind of like deals. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.